There are several online platforms where you can buy SpaceX shares before they get publicly listed. The most notable are Hiive, Forge, and UpMarket. But before you sign up to any of those platforms, please keep in mind you need to be an accredited investor. So how do you become an accredited investor? There are two ways to qualify. You can qualify via income or net worth. To qualify via income, you need to make at least $200,000 per year within the last 2 years. You can combine it with your spouse, but then your threshold goes up to $300,000 per year. Most people qualify with the net worth because you can include everything. I mean, almost everything. Your stock portfolio, your crypto portfolio, your car, your properties. The only thing you cannot include is your primary residence. But all of this combined, if it's above $1 million, you qualify to be an accredited investor. Now the question is, should you use those platforms? Should you buy SpaceX shares before they get publicly listed? And I have to say, it is extremely risky because nobody knows the actual listing price of those pre-IPO shares. It is a very complex math that, they combine many factors into it. But the biggest factor that determines the price is how many shares get issued. Is it 100 billion shares? 200 billion shares? Nobody knows, not even Elon Musk. And we won't know until days before the IPO. So it is extremely risky. I did some homework for you already, and I went to Hiive to check their SpaceX price, the offers they have. And the best offer is they're selling SpaceX shares for $630 per share, but with a 6 months lockup. So if SpaceX goes public with a share price of $300 and you're buying the shares for $630 at Hiive with a 6 months lockup, you're getting a very bad deal. So my recommendation is stay away from those platforms because we simply don't know if you're getting a good deal or not. And they also have high fees and lockups. So what I recommend is buy on the first day from your preferred broker. That way you're getting fair market value because you're buying as close to the listing price as possible if you buy on the first day, and your shares are liquid. So you can press the sell button at any time and lock in those profits. I hope that helps.